Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Event Planner. My name is Taylor and I'm just going to show you some background of how we set up for this rainbow kids birthday party last year. I know you guys have seen the rainbow fringe backdrop DIY, so I just wanted to show you guys how we used it and a little behind the scenes of how we set up. So here is the before. I have my husband and my son helping me unpack. They always help me unpack. This was a small space. We've actually done a couple parties here before, but the space is really small because it's a beach home. So we try to pack as much stuff as we can without overwhelming this space. Everybody has been asking for backdrop recommendations. This is my all-time favorite backdrop right now. I will go ahead and link it down in the description box. And as you can see, when I told you guys that this was a really durable backdrop construction, when I showed you how to make this in my last video, which I'll link as well in the iCard, it was super easy for transport. So I really liked how the construction method that we went with this time. As you guys know, as of right before the pandemic, I wanted to get into kids party rentals. So I've had all of these cute kids party rentals since the pandemic, since 2020, and am like just now being able to use them this past year. So I'm a little sad about that, but at least they're getting used. Everybody always asks me where I get these tablecloths. I love spandex tablecloths. I hate wrinkles in tablecloths, and these are just so simple to use. So I will link them down below. I just get them on Amazon, but I have a specific company that I like the best, so I'll link it in the description box. These were so cute too. I got these on Amazon, and the little bows. So the runners, the bows, and the tutus were on Amazon. And I just got some rainbow cups in place. I actually think that I got that from Amazon as well too. So I will link it down below. We had some crafts that the kids were able to do. This was a drop-off party, so we did not stay and do any of the projects with them. And here is the final setup. I was asked to do some last minute balloon garlands, and I actually wish that we didn't do a balloon garland over the fringe backdrop because it looks so cute by itself. Here's a couple more of my party rentals that I have available. These are very popular for the summertime, and the client also booked a jumper. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing behind the scenes, and I will see you in another video. Make sure to stay tuned and check out my DIY fringe video if you're looking for a how-to on how I did this backdrop. Alright, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Put a heart in the comment if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.